Okay, what's going on, guys? So this is Palm Beach, Florida. We're at a little spot right now where I can rip a bit, but look at this weather. It's amazing. I'm here on vacation with the in-laws and the wife, and we are just enjoying ourselves. They're all at the beach. I decided to go head out and go fly. I know my way around here because I lived here actually just a couple miles down that way for a few years. So I know my way around. I already know some spots, so I'm gonna go rip it up, all the spots that I wanted to hit when there wasn't really a drone market. So enjoy, guys. Let's see how this goes.
And tear MCs fear me. They too near not to hear me clearly. I'm the triple beam dream. 1,000 grams of uncut to the gut. It seems up the way I touched up the grill, trying to play gorilla when you ain't no killer. The gats by your liver, your upper lip quiver. You're ready to die. Tell God I said hi and throw down some ice for the nicest MC. Know the stilo, unbelievable.
Yes, sure, we moving at the speed of light. Illuminate the path that we're moving on. Accumulate knowledge at our mouths where we make the people bounce for the music is around. Yes, sure, we moving at the speed of light. Illuminate the path that we're moving on. Accumulate knowledge at our mouths where we make the people bounce for the music is around.
That's me, riding in the back of a taxi. Gotta go home where I can't sleep. Kill the telephone and be alone to advance what it had to be. Psychos, caught in the middle of a typo. Act like you didn't know life goes. The world fair ain't no fair when you're working at the sideshow. Well, you find a little piece of hell. I hope there's a mirror mirror in your cell to break every day you wake up to you and take a look at yourself. Now calm down, just another tear from the sad clown. Take another year, put it on the ground, spread it all around, little gas in a match, and it's all gonna pass like.
Make the people move to the movement you get. Move to the movement, the moment you see. This will move your mind, but just don't lose it. Find a time to fuse it to the life you're choosing. Yes, y'all, we moving at the speed of life. Illuminate the path that we're moving on. Accumulate knowledge in amounts where they make the music count for the music it surrounds. Make songs to move you till you're dead wrong. Wrong or right, I fight through the morning light. Catch sight of this child of the wild moon. Consume a wild shrooms, laughing at your cartoons. On a bar stool trying to stay sane and maintain this feral blood, drinking wolf's bane. What you say? You're trying to make a fake connection like a toupee.
My thoughts come mildly affected by you and the light you projected. No choice but to clash with a battle. You had me here to cast a shadow. One seed would grow your belief, but if we agreed, no one would plead. Can't lose the need to struggle. Just another piece of the puzzle. You must do what I think is best for who? Throw your hands in the air, try to catch the truth. Set the preferences on burn. Cause it's your world, but your world don't turn. Make it hot, try to make it out. Sitting in the same spot, same vacant house. Get proud, get loud, and you still don't know what I'm talking about now.
Yes, y'all, we moving at the speed of light.
Well, hey there. So, it rained super hard about 30 minutes ago. The sand is still wet. It's no one on the beach, in case you can't tell. And look what we've got. So, empty beach. I hope you guys enjoy this, because this is going to be a fun adventure for me too. Ooh, this deep sand right here, making it hard to walk with the bag. All right, fast forward to when we get there.
You cried, you did, and you lied, and you live, and you die. You will, and you won't. You feel, and you don't. You heal, and you crack. I promise still I got your back. You leave, and you try, you laugh, and you cry. You did, and you lied, you live, and you die. You will, you won't. You feel, and you don't. You heal, and you crack. I promise still I got your back. You leave, and you try, and you laugh, and you cry. You did, and you lied, and you live, and you die. You will, and you won't. You feel, and you don't. You heal, and you crack. I promise still I got your back like that.
This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You, Biggie, you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. Your reign on the top was short like leprechauns as I crush so-called willies, thugs, and rapadons. Get in that ass quick fast like Ramadan. It's that rap phenomenon, Don Dada. Papa, you got to call me Francis M.H. White intake like toast, toe iron. Was told in shootout, stay low and keep firing. Keep extra clips for extra. Who's next to flip on that cat with that grip on rap? The most shady. Frankie, baby. Ain't no telling where I may be. May see me in D.C. at Howard Homecoming with my man Capone drumming f***ing something. You should know my stilo. Went from 10 G's for blow to 30 G's a show to orgies with hoes I never seen before. So, Jesus, get off the Notorious. Clean us before I squeeze and bust. If the beef between us, we can settle it with the chrome and metal. I make it hot like a kettle get. You're delicate, you better get who sent you. You still pedal shit. I got more rides, the great adventure. Biggie.
How are you gonna do it?
Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. On your mark, get set. When I spark you wet, look how dark you get when you mark for death. Should I start your breath or should I let you die? In fear you start to cry, ask why. Lyrically I worship, don't front the word sick. You cursed it, but rehearsed drop unexpectedly like birds. You herbs get stuck quickly for royalties and show money. Don't forget the publishing, I punish them. I'm done with them, son. I'm surprised you run with them. I think they got coming them, cause they nothing but dicks. Trying to blow up like nitro and dynamite sticks. Mad I smoke hydro, rock diamonds, that's sick. Got paid off my flow, rhyme with my own click. Take trips to Cairo, lay in with your bitch. I know you praying you was rich. Prick, when I see you, I'ma kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. This goes out for those that choose to use disrespectful views on the king of NY. That, why try? Throw bleach in your eye. Now you're brilling it. Snatch that light. I'm scaling it. Conscience of your nonsense. In 88, sold more powder than Johnson & Johnson. Choke steel like Bronson. Vigilante. You wanna get on, son? You need to ask me. Ain't no other kings in this rap thing. They siblings, nothing but my children. One shot, they disappearing. It's ill when MCs used to be on funny shit. Took home, ready to die. Listen, study shit. Now they on some money shit. Successful out the blue. They lightweight. Fragile. My 9 milli make the white shake. That's why my money never funny. And you still recouping. Stupid, stupid, stupid.
Okay, that was 5 packs of pretty much the best flying I've ever got to experience. I mean, might not be the best like technical flying, but I am having so much fun and it's safe. There's people are starting to come back out on the beach, so thankfully I'm out of batteries. This is probably all for the flying here in Florida. Not much time for much else in this trip, but thank you guys for joining. Hope you guys liked it. I had a blast and I hope to come visit again soon because I need to get out of the place where I am. Not allowed to fly there. So until next time, guys.
Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't